Hello, I'm Greg. Hey, buckle up. Our group has been parachuted in to a regional organisation that's looking to grow. They're looking for sales growth. Now, the lady that began this business has run it for 20 years. She's always been the rainmaker. Do you know what? She's tried to grow it by hiring staff in the past. She's had 2 goes at hiring salespeople to grow the business, and it simply hasn't worked. Firstly, it was an outsider with industry experience. 12 months, no results. And then she hired her son. Well, that didn't work out so well. So what we've been asked to do is come in and help build a sustainable and growable sales strategy. Underneath that, we've got to put the structure together for the sales team, how it would best work, how the balance between internal sales, external sales and online sales will work. How do we function the roles and allocate them to people? How do we hire the right staff to fill that roles? How do we manage them, monitor them? What we're going to do is a wonderful hypothetical workshop around sales leadership and all the functions that it involves. At the end of the day, having worked on this as a team together in an interactive and fun way, you'll take away the tools that allow you to implement similar concepts within your own business. Look forward to working with the group.